how to open your DMs on Twitter. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Twitter application. And of course, it will lead you to your homepage where you will see your feed area or the tweets from your friends or from your followings or just random tweets. Now, the next thing that you want to do since you want to open your direct messages is on the bottom part you will see five different options there, right? You'll see your home, the search icon, and so on and so forth. But I want you to focus on the very last icon there, the message icon, the envelope icon there. Tap on that, and here you will see your messages, basically your direct messages. And basically, that is how you open your DMs on Twitter. And then just tap on the message that you want to read, and that is all for today. And that is how you open your DMs on Twitter. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.